Alright, so hey y'all, sorry for the weird angle and everything else, but my kitchen is messy and we're getting ready to move soon. But yeah, so I'm gonna do a grocery haul. It's a big one, so I figured I'd film it. So let's go. I got these waters with strawberries. They're little, our son likes to drink out of them. I got some zucchini. I got a papaya. I don't think I've ever had it before, like a raw fruit. So I'm gonna cut it up and we'll see how it is. Found these for my son. They're Golden Grahams s'mores toaster strudels. We'll see if he likes them or not. I got baby cucumbers. And I got these Lay's Poppables sea salt and vinegar. Chipmate chewy chocolate chip cookies. Oh, chocolate donut holes, of course. I bought 2 of these, but I gave my son one already. It's the Simple Truth lunch kit. Basically like a Lunchable, but healthier. I got 2 packets of these tuna. My cotton candy bang. Let's see. Brown and wild rice in little cups. Big thing of Kroger mac and cheese. I'm actually gonna open this because I need caffeine. It's been a while since I've had the cotton candy one. Alright, I'm gonna try this. It's Chobani Flip, the yogurt. It's cookie dough. I got combo pack. This is mozzarella cheese and beef salami. Big bag of spinach. And we got strawberry cheesecake of the Chobani Flip. I love those. Those are my favorite yogurts. And then we got Cascade dishwasher pots. Oh. Quart size of freezer bags. I bought the wrong kind last time. All right, we got cherry grape tomatoes, hard salami, and I got, no, this is hard salami. This is Black Forest ham. I bought 2 of these. They're fusilli pasta. They're ready to cook, or fully cooked 60-second pasta. I figured it'd be easy for days that Waylon don't want me to cook anything. Got 2 packs of raspberries. Kroger brand Ritz crackers. Unsweetened vanilla almond milk. I got my Chobani coffee creamer. It's dairy-free coffee creamer. This is amazing. I get hazelnut because I just like the hazelnut flavor. If you need a dairy-free almond milk, or not dairy-free almond milk, dairy-free coffee creamer, this is the way to go. It's amazing. I've got a half gallon of vitamin D whole milk. A small bag of meatballs. Alright, we got whole white mushrooms, 3 avocados, I got 2 of these hazelnut and chocolate haze craze. It's a yogurt. Got 2 of those. That's my favorite kind. The other pack of raspberries, and the other like that. I didn't know Kroger had these, but they're, it's resealable too. Ready to heat, prepared sweet potatoes. They're already cubed and everything. You just stick it in the microwave and heat it up, or you could saute it probably. I bought 2 of these. They were $2.99 a piece. I mean, easy. I hate cutting sweet potatoes. The last time I cut my fingers, I was cutting sweet potatoes. I got 2 of these. The Holy Guacamole Classic. They were 99 cents a piece. I love when they're on sale. They're my favorite. Aside from Chipotle guacamole, that's the next step up to go. And they got some Ragu chunky sauce, super chunky mushroom for these noodles. I got, let's see, seasoned chicken flavored rice. I'm trying to get some different stuff for my son to try because he's getting to be a picky eater right now. Look at what I found, y'all. Almond Breeze Nog. Dairy-free eggnog. Are you serious? Limited time only. Legit trying this right now. Shaky, 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 shaky. I hope this is good. Oh, that's good. I think I like it more than regular eggnog because it's not as thick. If you were given it in a glass and nobody told you that it was dairy-free, you probably wouldn't be able to tell. That's good though. I bought this at Kroger. Got Simply Cheeto Puffs. Artisan bread. It's the Kroger brand. S'mores Goldfish. We got strawberries. Got pineapple cubes. My groceries are literally everywhere around the kitchen right now. I got cubed watermelon. I got a jug of sweet tea. And a big bag of kale. Here's the other bag of the sweet potatoes. I got a literal bunch of bananas. Star Wars Baby Yoda fruit snacks that my son had already opened at Kroger. 18 count eggs. Two more bags. We got regular cheddar goldfish. The cupcake goldfish. The other pack of that pasta. That's big. I got tortellini cheese. My friend gets this, so I figured I'd try to make it. It's super good. Got rotini and vegetables. These are good. And then Waylon's 6-pack of Tropical Punch Kool-Aid. If you guys like the grocery haul, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I'll see you next video. Bye.